Hi, in this lesson we're going to be thinking about symmetry and how that relates to our shapes. Okay, now symmetry means that the shape can be the same on both sides. It's like a mirror image. I haven't got a small mirror, annoyingly, but you can use, if you have got a small mirror at home, to put it on the shape and you'll see the same shape in your mirror on the other side. Okay, now what I mean by that is, if I were to take a square, try and draw my square as accurately as I can. If I were to put a dot down this middle line, okay, and imagine if I were to fold that, okay, it would fold exactly onto the top of the other side. So if I were to fold this side over, it would fold exactly onto the other side, fill in that space. Okay, equally, if I were to put my mirror down the middle, okay, I would see this side here reflected from this side here. So we call this a mirror line or a line of symmetry. Mirror line, okay, or a line of symmetry. So that's one line of symmetry on our square. Okay, have a think. Do you think there's another line of symmetry on our square? Do you mind to think of that while I draw another one here? If you think there is, think about where it might be. Oh, a little bit wobbly there. Okay, so we've got one going down that way. So if there's one going down the middle of our sides, okay, well, we know the sides are equal, so there must be another one coming across here. And if I folded it down, okay, and over, this side here is going to cover that side exactly again. So it's got another line of symmetry. So far we've got two lines of symmetry. Okay, those lines where it's exactly the same on both sides, mirror image. Okay, do you think you know another one? It's getting a bit windy out here, blowy here. Okay. Well, again, if we know that all our angles are equal and all our sides are equal, okay, well, we know if we were to draw a line going across the middle here, okay, solve that up again, okay, is another line of symmetry. Okay, so we can go corner to corner because we can fold it diagonally, okay, and we know that this triangle is going to lay exactly on that triangle the other side. And if we know that there's a line of symmetry going that way, we know that there must be a line of symmetry. Oh, try and do it quickly, that's right. Going this way. Okay, so again, it will be the same on both sides. Now, a rectangle, okay, has lines of symmetry like this going across the sides, okay, but not going that way. If you try and fold your piece of paper, A4 paper, corner to corner, you'll see that it doesn't lay. In fact, actually, I've got one here for something I'm doing a bit later. Okay, it won't fold exactly on top of each other because I've got this bit here, I've got a triangle there that's over the top, and I've got a triangle on the other side. It's not laid. Whereas if it was square, we'd be able to do it exactly. So symmetry means we can fold it and it will fold exactly on top of each other. Okay, and we call that the mirror line or a line of symmetry. So a square has 4 lines of symmetry, okay, because it's got them there. Just going to put a rubber off there. I'm going to do a nice tall isosceles triangle for my next one. Okay, have a think about this shape here. Okay, how many lines of symmetry do you think this one has? How many lines of symmetry do you think this one has? Well, if I were to go across the middle here, this top bit is almost going to be, if I were to fold it up, it's going to be coming out here, isn't it? So it's not going to be laying flat because these lines coming out are going to be coming out here, so we wouldn't equally lay that way. However, if I were to draw my mirror line down the middle, okay, when I fold this over, okay, both sides are going to lay on top of each other equally, so it's got one line of symmetry, okay, because that mirror line's there. Okay. Okay, so in our lesson, I've got you to think about some bits of paper. Okay, now what you can do is, they don't need to be big bits of paper. You might even half these again, so you can get four out of one A4 piece. Okay, what I'd like you to do is to pick a bit of paper, okay, fold it in half so that you've got half down the middle, but on one side where you folded it, you can draw a shape could be any shape you like, any shape you like. Then what you need to do, once you've drawn your shape, okay, you need to cut that shape there, not along the fold, you want the fold in it, but you need to cut your shape here out, okay, I haven't got any scissors with me, and then when you fold that shape out, in fact if I do it that way, okay, oh, you can see where my pen's gone through, okay, you will have your shape and you'll have your line of symmetry down the middle, okay, and you know it is exactly the middle because it's where we folded that shape. So that's the first part of our lesson, to think about that line of symmetry, okay, is to have a piece of paper, fold it in half, draw your shape, could be anything, could be a square, could be a happy face, could be whatever, okay, cut that out, and then when you unfold it, you'll see that you'll have a shape that exactly mirrors that on the other side, okay, but symmetry is about something having the same on both sides, okay, lines of symmetry. If I were to do one more example, I'm going to try and do as equal a triangle as I can. Don't like that, don't like that. Okay. Not right. So if we imagine all these sides are equal, okay, and all our angles are equal, okay, well, we might be able to spot that we've got a line of symmetry going down the side there, but be careful, okay, because remember, a triangle, if it's all equal, mine probably isn't quite accurate, okay, could be on the side. So if it's equal, we're going to have a line of symmetry going across there as well. And we've got one more. Do you think you can spot where it is? Hold it up a little bit there. Yep, it's going across this way here. So we've got one mirror line going down from top to bottom, one mirror line going from the corner to this side, and one mirror line going from the corner to this side here. So our triangle has 3 lines of symmetry, okay, and that is what we mean by symmetry. Okay, so we could fold that shape along any of those lines and it will fold equally. Okay. Hope that's helped, okay, and I hope you enjoy that lesson of making your symmetrical shapes.